Hello friends, I am Sanjay and today I am going to demonstrate you how to install XAMPP on Linux, and on XAMPP we are going to install Laravel also. So first thing to install a XAMPP on Linux, you need a Linux distribution. In this tutorial I am using Linux Mint 8. First thing that I have to do is to download XAMPP installer. So simply go to google.com and search for XAMPP. The first result is the apaachefriends.com. So we have to go there. We are going there and we will find a suitable launcher, suitable installer for Linux. So there is tons of option that we can get from apaachefriend.com. Go to download. In the download section we can see there are some version of Windows. All the version are 32-bit. I am using 64-bit. This is the Linux version, PHP 5.5, PHP 5.6, and this is the 7 version. So I am going to download the 64-bit of PHP 7 edition. So it will take some time to download because installer size is 131 MB. So before installing you have to download XAMPP installer to a particular folder. So by default Firefox download it to download folder here. This is the download folder and this is the XAMPP is downloading, and when it's totally downloaded we can go for the next process. Till I am going to pause the video because it will take some time. Guys, file is already downloaded in the download folder, so we can now go for installing XAMPP on Linux. Before this there is some FAQs on Linux how to install. So Apache Friend not only provided all the details but also provided popular frequently asked question how to install and other things. I have also written an article on this. For this you have to go to codentrix.com. Go to blog and search for XAMPP. So the result we can see here, installing XAMPP and Laravel on Linux. You can install it on Ubuntu, Linux Mint or Ubuntu based operating systems, OpenSUSE, Fedora and other Linuxes. So here I have written how to install Linux, how to install XAMPP on Linux step by step. First step is given here. We have to first provide installer a permission to execute. For this I have to open a terminal and run the command ls. So we have downloaded in the download folder. Just go to the download folder, cd download. Now we are in the download folder. Just use the command ls. So we can see here this is the Linux installer. Just run this command sudo command mode chmod 755 XAMPP, and this is the file name. It will ask for password. Provide your root password. Now we can install XAMPP. We have already provided the necessary permission 755. If it doesn't work, you can go for the 777. Now we are going to launch the installer. You can see this will lead to just like a Windows based installation. Just follow the steps. You can see this will install in /opt/laMpp. This is the folder /opt, and this is the folder where PHP file will be executed. It's almost finished. When you install XAMPP, the default directory where PHP files will be executed called document root directory. It's /stdocs where PHP file will execute. It's already installed, and I am not going to launch from here. I am going from here. This is the command to run start XAMPP. Now open your browser and go for localhost. So we have successfully installed XAMPP. You can see Apache plus MariaDB, that is replaced MariaDB replaced MySQL and PHP and Perl. Now we are going to create a file. By default, this is the location in the root directory, so we don't have privilege to create files and folder. For this, we can run a command sudo now we are going to create a simple file, create a document. phpinfo.php. We are just running a PHP function called phpinfo. This will list all the features that comes with XAMPP. To run this file, localhost and phpinfo.php. So we have installed everything. htdoc is called document root, and we are going to change it. Now we are going to change document root. Right now this is htdocs. We don't want to go for a secure directory like in the root directory, so we first have to create a folder. In home directory I have created a folder called web. I will keep all files and folder and all PHP files in the web, and when I open localhost then it will open. So for this we have to change the document root. First we have to go to opt lamp etc. Since it's in the root directory we need a permission, so we have to first go to this directory, write sudo /opt any editor name, gedit. For my case you can use git, you can use nano, you can use anything. Text editor, I am just going to use Swiss text editor. This is the Z, so my text editor is Z, so then we have to write GED and the location /opt/lampp/http.conf. So we have to change only 2 entries. I'm going to comment it. So my location is /home /username, that is Sanjay, /folder name web. We have already set, and we have to run a command sudo /opt/lampp/lampp restart to restart Apache server. I am going to test this folder with some files. Called info.php. Refresh this folder. So everything is working fine. Now we are going to install Laravel. Laravel is right now world most popular PHP framework. First we have to set an environment variable, PHP environment variable, so we can use it in a command line. So this is given here, so we have to write here in terminal sudo z slash etc slash environment and we have to add this and save. Now we have to use this command. And now going to testing PHP command line. Checking PHP using the command php.i. So everything is going fine. Now we have to install Composer globally. And moving this to slash user local bin composer. Permission denied, so you have to use sudo command. So now we have already created and now I am going to create a blog, folder blog. It's a Laravel project. So first clear the terminal. First we have to go to particular directory for ls cd web and run this command. Invalid is version of
যারা বলছে অ্যানিমেশন আর গ্রাফিক্সের কাজ আছে ওগুলোকে এডিট করতে হবে এই যে এরকম ভাবে
So we have successfully installed Laravel. Now we are going to see whether everything is okay or not. For this we have to go inside a web blog folder, and now run php artisan command. So we have to check php artisan serve. Now go to that location. So it's a Laravel and it's running successfully, so there is no problem. Now we can develop any web application, website or API for backend using Laravel.